For the Lord is a great God, the great King above all gods. Psalm 95 verses 3. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited to have you here today as I share with you this amazing and cozy pork light soup. It is so good for a special Sunday like this. So please be sure to save the video as we enjoy this with some delicious and succulent lamb-free fufu. Let's get right into it. It is absolutely delicious. So here are all the list of ingredients. I'm going to list each and every one below in the description box as well, so please be kind to check that out. So in my pot, I'm going to add my very nicely washed fresh pork. I'm using the pork thigh here, and I'm going to also add some cow intestine to just bring that deliciousness out. I'm going to also season it with my all-purpose natural spice blend. I've shared the recipe here, and to that I'll add some salt and some chopped yellow onions. I used about half yellow onions. I'll also add my purée. We're going for all natural spice flavors in here. Promise you, it makes every soup worth it. It is so amazing. The natural spice blend is being shared here, and it's very great for all your dishes. Please, if you've not watched it, you're missing out. Please go ahead and do that, okay? So I'm going to cover it and steam it without adding any extra amount of water for about 5 minutes. Stir it again to make sure that there is nowhere I have issues with burning pots, okay? It is so important to make that happen. Make sure you are doing this on a low to medium heat. I'll do that for about 10 minutes and then go in with my tomato puree. You may also decide to add your tomato paste, which is also fine. I added about a half cup of water here, and I'm going to give it a gentle stir and cover it and allow this to steam for another 10 good minutes. The aroma is popping out, fam. It is so amazing. Fruit, aka purée, is also doing its job. It's giving out that super amazing authentic aroma that you will need in your soup. Just so amazing. Cover it, okay? For the next 10 minutes, you have to go ahead and check on it. This is how far we've come. Just look how tender everything, so yummy it is looking. I'm not going to add my vegetables. This soup is just straightforward, very easy. You may also decide to boil all your vegetables on the side, but I just went ahead to boil it together with my meat. Here I added 3 fresh gorgeous sized tomatoes, and I'm going to also add 1 large onion. I added a quarter size of green zucchini. Just definitely you have to peel it. You can use the yellow ones as well. 2 habanero pepper, medium size of carrot. Also added about the thumb size of fresh ginger for that fresh ginger aroma in the soup. It is so important, family. Even though I have lots of ginger in my spice blend, I still went ahead to add that fresh one here. It just brings extra freshness to the soup, which I absolutely love. So right now you're going to allow this to boil like this for about 10 minutes until all the vegetables becomes nice and soft. Just in case you're wondering about the zucchini, you may definitely replace it with your eggplant or garden eggs. Very amazing to have that in there, okay? So I'm going to now take all my vegetables and give each and every one a good blend, and we are going to add it back to the soup. Fam, the aroma is coming out. It's just amazing. And if you're enjoying the recipe already, if I have made your light soup process super easy, please kindly give me a thumbs up, okay? And share with that special friend and your loved ones. You already know sharing is caring, and do not be enjoying all these amazing recipes all by yourself. Don't be selfish, okay? It is definitely so good when you make your live soup this way. It tastes phenomenal. It takes everything from just, basic to 100. It is so great. So now I've blended all the vegetables and it back where it belongs. You just want to give it a quick stir and just allow this to boil for another 7 to 10 minutes. That's all. You can see that I was boiling some okra on the side. It is just perfection. Oh boy. The aromas outpouring is just so incredible. It is just so amazing. You really have to give this a try. I hope you learn a thing or two. The soup was just incredibly delicious. Of course, a soup like this you only want to pair with some nice succulent lamb-free fufu, as I've also shared the recipe here on this channel. The easiest way ever to make your fufu. Okay, so go ahead and check it out as well. I'll link it below for your own convenience. So now the Ghanaian in me was super excited for this cozy Sunday celebration. It is just incredible to have this kind of meal on Sundays. It is always a pleasure serving you. I hope you really enjoy this recipe and you're going to give it a try. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.